Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Mumbai University registration certificate. To begin, navigate to the official Mumbai University student portal, which is your primary hub for all academic services. You must have an active student login to proceed with the application. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as interruptions can cause data loss. This initial step is crucial for accessing the registration certificate application form. Before you begin your online application, ensure you have all the required documents scanned and ready. You will need your 10th grade mark sheet and your 12th grade mark sheet, along with a recent passport-sized photograph. The photograph should be about 2 by 2 inches, with a clear white background. Additionally, have your Aadhaar card or an equivalent government-issued identification ready for upload. Proper document preparation significantly speeds up the entire registration process. Once logged into the Mumbai University student portal, navigate to the registration certificate application section. Carefully fill in all the required fields, ensuring your personal details, such as name and date of birth, match your official records. You will then be prompted to upload the scanned documents we discussed earlier. Confirm that each file is clearly legible and in the correct format, usually JPEG or PDF, before proceeding. This step requires close attention to detail. The next crucial step is paying the application fee, which is usually between 200 and 500 rupees. You can complete this payment using various online methods, including debit cards, credit cards, or net banking. After successful payment, an acknowledgement receipt will be generated. Please save or print this for your records. This receipt contains your unique application ID, which is essential for tracking your application status later. Confirming the payment status ensures your application moves forward smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.